Hello all, welcome to session 22 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I am going to practically show you how to use Selectors Hub for saving the selectors, that is locators. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Chrome browser where Selectors Hub is already installed. Now let's browse sample application URL, say omaya.blogspot.com. Now let's auto-generate the different possible locators for search button using Selectors Hub. Right click here and select inspect option and go to the selectors hub. You see the different possible locators for the search button got auto generated using the selectors hub. That's fine. Now select or pick any of these locators for the search button. Pick any of these locators. Let's say I will pick this relative XPath. Okay. So how to pick this? I want this particular relative XPath to appear here. Okay. At this box, I want this XPath. That's what I call as picking. Let me click here. You see automatically this XPath has been added here, right? Now, according to the context of this session, I want to save the locators. Using selectors hub, I want to save the locators. How to do that? This particular locator I want to save. Okay. Before saving this particular locator, if I click on this XPath CSS selector, you see nothing is coming. I'm clicking on this, nothing is coming. But there is an option here, guys, with a symbol known as plus symbol, right? If you click on this, this particular locator will be saved in the selector sub. Okay, if you click here, it will appear after clicking this plus icon. So let me click. The moment I clicked, I got a kind of message saying the particular value got saved. So now let's click here. You see, whatever the locator we have saved is appearing here. Now let's try to auto generate the different possible locators for the text area field. Right click inspect. Now let's click on this text, this CSS selector this time. Okay, let's uh, let's choose this CSS selector. Click here. Okay, CSS selector got added here, right? Appearing here. Now again, let's click on the plus icon. Before clicking this plus icon, let's see here. The earlier value is already there. The earlier XPath for this search button is already there. Now we are trying to add the CSS selector of this text area field. Okay. Now we are trying to save the CSS selector of this text area field. Again, click on this plus icon, save selector in list option. You see value is saved. Now click here. You see apart from the earlier XPath that got saved, now CSS selector of this text area field is also saved. This feature is not there for everyone, guys. Okay, this functionality is not there for everyone. Only for the patrons of this selectors hub they are giving this option. Okay, this option will only work for you if you are a patron of the selectors hub, otherwise it will not work. So hope guys you understood how to use selectors hub for saving the selectors. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.